Hello guys and welcome to a Futwiz squad builder. So like I said in the last video, I'm going to be doing a squad builder. I opened 5 packs. I'm not gonna finish my squad. I'm just gonna choose like the best players in the pack. And I want you in the comment below to make suggestions of which player should I put in the squad to finish it. So I had a look at my packs before the video and I literally got the best pack luck ever. So in my first pack you see that I've got Jardo, Ben Arthur, Kempo, Arnautovic, PT, Philip Lam, Perez, Lamela and Brahimi. So let's get moving in my second pack, which we get this boy right there, Team of the Year Di Maria. Then we're moving on to my third pack, which we get this boy right here, Team of the Season Bolassi and Drogba. Then we've in our third pack, which we get this boy right here, Team of the Week Ericsson and Ibrahimovic. Then we'll move into our fifth and final pack, which we get Dante. Right, this is not the best one, but we still get a purple one, Beckford, 180k, Pizarro, 21k, and Dante. That's decent. So you can see that my pack luck is amazing. So in our first pack, my only player that I liked is Philip Lam. Then here no one else. So left me Ericsson, Ibra. Alright, so I'm gonna put Lam. That is my squad builder, Philip Lam. There we go. Philip Lam. There he is. Philip Lam with Pizarro. Come on, man, where is Pizarro? Oh, he's double. Oh, sorry. Pizarro, there we go. And now we're going to put Ibra. Zlatan Ibrahimovic as a striker. Then I'm gonna put Bolassi. He's Yannick Bolassi with Dante that right there. Dante, bit of chemistry right there. Let's see. Oh yeah, and Di Maria. So this is a squad, guys, that I've made from my 5 packs. Ibra, Team of the Season Bolassi, Team of the Year Di Maria, Inform Pizarro, Philip Lam and Dante. So like I said and before, I want you guys to suggest me players in the comments down below so I can finish this squad. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you next time.